after Daddy's birthday.
Hey guys!
Hey!
So what do we have, Aaron?
We have a lot of balloons we have to do.
So we are going to do this super big Superman balloon.
Yeah, it's like an Airwalker.
We are doing an Airwalker Batman because they didn't have a Superman one. We're doing some happy birthday balloon letters.
And then these are the normal ones.
Normal balloons and then a star left over from Christmas. But it'll work great. So which one do you want to inflate first?
We should do this.
The letters.
So this is happy birthday to Daddy. We're gonna see these blue happy birthday letter balloons. So these ones you have to blow them up.
Just with your mouth.
Or you can use a pump.
But they're too tiny, I think. Then everyone gets mad that I pop them.
So in the kit you also get some blue confetti balloons, super cute. And also these more metallic blue ones. Alright, so we got the pumps ready and we're going to inflate these balloons.
What's this one?
I'm doing the H for happy birthday.
Can I do it?
No, what?
I want to do it.
Hold on. I can barely even get it in.
That's what she said.
Okay, can I do it? Oh, can I do it?
There it goes.
I think I can already do it.
The H. Alright, so we're going to finish up these letters and we'll be right back. So here are where we're at with our letters. We're already almost done. And then we're going to string them up and put them on the wall. We also got some blue stars.
Oh yeah, we gotta inflate those.
We got to inflate these blue stars. And our letters are ready to go, so we'll put them up so you can see them. Alright, here are the happy birthday balloons. We put it, you can see our awesome red, white, and blue background for Superman. So next up is some more balloons. So what we're gonna do next is the Batman DC Comics. It's the Airwalker.
Yep. And today we just went to the pet store. The pet store, and then we just saw hermit crabs.
Yeah. Okay, there's Batman. He's all in pieces.
Oh yeah. Sometimes they're kind of assembled, but I guess this time not.
Okay.
Okay, so I guess which part should we do first?
Where is he? Where is he?
It doesn't have instructions.
He doesn't have a cape.
Why not?
I don't know if it has
God.
instructions.
The head? Is that the head?
Yeah.
How weird. Look, it has little buttons.
Oh yeah. It has like little instructions.
So here are the instructions. Apparently you button the buttons together.
I see.
And I guess it's a weird, like, off-brand Airwalker, but we're gonna check it out to see what it looks like. We also got this on Amazon.
Okay, which part should I start with? It doesn't have
The
like
body.
The head.
The body, I think.
No, the head's too tiny.
Maybe.
What about that?
What was
Oh,
that?
the heart pop.
You know what?
It has a hole.
It has a hole?
Look.
Oh no! Already?
Can't blame that one on me.
No, it's
What
defective.
am I gonna do?
Where even is the hole? It's coming out of these buttons.
Oh, maybe you have to assemble it and then blow it up.
I guess we have to.
So this is a little bit different than the Airwalkers we're used to.
What is this, a leg?
Yeah, bless you. We will find out. I'd like go all the way, Bentley. No. Not sure we should fill it with helium. What do you think?
I don't know. It's supposed to be, no?
I don't know. We'll find out. Let's just try it, I guess.
This is so strange.
I know, it's kind of confusing.
It
Alright.
looks weird.
Alright, let's see what happens.
Make
Alright.
sure there's no holes anywhere else.
He's all buttoned up.
Well, I
Let's
guess
see
we
if it
just
works.
Twist his legs if they get weird.
I might play with them, right, Mom?
Yeah.
And also the Superman, right?
After Daddy's birthday.
There it goes.
It looks so weird.
Well, there it goes. He's done.
Oh my!
Whoa! He looks pretty awesome. Whoa!
Wow!
I
I
think
can't believe I made that.
Turn him this way. Whoa! He looks so cool, April. Fix his little
he
ear,
looks
his
so
little bat
weird
ear.
Too. He looks weird
He looks cool.
and weird too.
Like that?
Because he's
Yeah.
sitting
Whoa!
like
He's like a really small balloon, though. I thought he was bigger.
that. Yeah.
Awesome. Here's Batman. It looks so cool.
He just hit
At
me.
least it's really detailed.
Hey, Dad, I'm holding it this
All right, we're gonna blow up some of the regular balloons.
Yay!
Awesome.
Oh, look at that.
All right, here's one balloon. This is the one that came with the set. You can see it's kind of like metallic. And we also have a balloon with confetti. I have taken that thing off. Whoa! Awesome!
Weird.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
Now it's a party.
Here, let's take 2 of these.
Okay, go.
Shake it.
Oh, they're hitting each other. Oh, God.
There it goes.
It's a little bit hard to float with all that confetti.
With all that confetti, yeah. Still super cute though. Woohoo!
There's a bigger one next to
Yeah, yeah. All right, so we have a red and blue and confetti balloon so far. So let's do a blue star. Oh, cute. There's our blue star.
It's a little bit see-through.
Yeah?
Can you see me?
No.
Weird. I can see the light. Look, hold it up to the light.
Oh yeah, it is kind of see-through with the light.
It's not floating so much.
There is our blue balloon. These are so cool. Let's add yellow, I
Yeah.
think. It needs a yellow balloon.
For some spice.
For some spice. Look at the balloons we have so far, Aaron.
Here, hold them.
Look at the awesome balloons, Aaron. They're so cute.
Aaron!
Where's Aaron? There he is.
Oh, we need a yellow star, huh?
We need the gold star, yeah.
Oh, you can put it in this pile, really?
Yeah, we're gonna put it in that balloon bouquet.
Oh!
Awesome.
Whoa.
It doesn't float, guys. Boo, balloon doesn't float.
Mm-hmm.
But that's okay, it's so cute.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so last but not least,
Oh, yeah. Dun, 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 dun.
the Superman balloon. So this is the biggest Superman balloon I could find. I also got a different one with a seal, but for whatever reason, it's not gonna be delivered on time, so it's pretty sad. Look at that one, Aaron.
Oh, yeah, I see
He's
it.
like, so...
Woohoo!
Okay, do you think we even have enough helium for this?
I think so.
It's pretty cool.
Whoa! There he is! There is Superman!
Oh,
Ready?
His arms look weird.
Yeah, he's flying.
Woo!
I'm not gonna stand above.
Whoa!
Wait, let me see him.
Ah!
Well,
Uh-oh.
well, at least he floats.
Yeah. Well, with that much helium in him, he better float.
Oh, this balloon.
He's like,
Whoa! It looks like a comic book.
mhm.
Right here.
Whoa! Awesome Superman balloon. You like him, Erin? You think Daddy will like him? I think so. He's pretty cool.
Let me see.
Why? Oh, you're tacking that to it?
Yeah, it's like all the balloons go together. There is our awesome Superman balloon bouquet, and it was super affordable, and we did it with our tank that we didn't even have to buy this one new. We used it from another time. All right, so we hope you guys like our DC Superman, Batman balloons. We had a lot of fun blowing them up. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Bye.
Bye. Happy birthday, Daddy.